Developed on a foundation of technology and experience in global security market, BioStar 2 is a cutting-edge security platform that will lead the future of the security market. It provides comprehensive security solutions, from simple access control for small to mid-sized businesses to enterprise-level businesses that need to manage complex and larger-scale database. BioStar 2 provides tailored security solutions for all. And above all, BioStar 2 offers intuitive, user-friendly UI, even at very complex enterprise-level operations. BioStar 2 also supports powerful API integration to maximize expandability with other solutions, such as visitor management systems, parking access control, and also video surveillance and management for real-time security monitoring. BioStar 2 supports all necessary security credentials without complicated integration, including RFID, QR barcode, facial fingerprint recognition, and mobile authentication to address diverse market demands. BioStar 2 supports flexible architecture, both high-security access controller and easy-to-install intelligent reader devices. BioStar 2 also supports hybrid security systems using access controller mixed with intelligent reader devices to meet various security environmental needs. Explore BioStar 2, your gateway to the most powerful, advanced, and user-friendly security platform, offering the optimal business security environment. It's your partner to secure business growth. BioStar 2, your trusted ally in business security.